Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you one of my absolute favorite pairs of pants that I wear all the time. These are from CRZ Yoga, and these are women's high-waisted hiking pants, and they are amazing. So I love everything about these pants. I wear them all the time. They are super, super comfortable. They are a really nice material that is quick dry. You can machine wash these and they dry in literally no time. It makes them awesome for hiking too, in case they get wet when you're out on a trail, and they will dry super, super fast. So I love the length of these. They are 7/8 length, or they come about ankle height. And for me at 5'2", they come right to my ankles and they're awesome. I love this nice wide waistband. It's super comfortable. They are high-waisted and that waistband is really soft. It has a lot of stretch to it. The fabric itself has some stretch to it as well. They have a really comfortable fit to them, and I just love these pants. I wear them for everything. So not just for hiking, great for running errands, wearing them out to the store. They're really cute. I love the jogger style. This is the size small, and this is the ink gray color, and it fits true to size. I usually wear a small in pants, or about a 4 to 6. And I also love that there are pockets. You've got pockets in the front, and then there is a zippered pocket in the back, and really just overall amazing pair of pants. So if you're looking for the perfect pair of pants for all kinds of uses, then I would recommend these from CRZ Yoga. I absolutely love them. They come in a ton of colors, so you can go get all the colors, and that's my point of view.